Hey everybody, welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the Callahan Northeast Florida Fairgrounds for the Southern Christmas Expo. This was a craft show and car show event on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of the weekend. We only went out on Saturday for the car show bit, but we did go through the craft show and look at that too. This is going to be our Scootervision video where you get to see what the scooter sees. There's a lot of craft show stuff because that's where we went first, and then there's a little bit of car show stuff because there's only a little bit of cars there. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Now let's rev it up for the event.
Where you want to go first?
Yeah, we'll just ride through, I guess.
You want to go check out the car?
You know, we can, I suppose.
It don't matter. There's Tanya Street.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the scooter.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Ain't speed bumps, that's the main problem.
Woodcraft.
Yeah. Yeah, I like those. I was gonna try to make some, but you know, those are really neat.
Yeah, complicated. Flag.
Yep, watch out for the flag.
Hi.
And they got stuff on the outside and the inside.
Yeah.
Left or right,
Doesn't matter to me.
I don't care, you show me.
Let's go down that way.
Okay.
The signs. We got so many now, though. Oh, aren't those cute?
Yep.
You see anything?
Not really. We're just kind of looking.
Yeah. Look, cow pants.
Yeah.
Alright, you can turn around. gator shirts.
Yeah.
Alright. You want to go in here? Or you go, well, we'll wait. We'll just...
Go down. There'd probably be an entrance at the end. Just go in and
Yeah.
come back around
Yeah.
that way.
Yeah. Grinch hat. Says Merry Christmas underneath it, midway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody's big on the Grinch this season.
Yeah. That's kind of creepy.
Yeah.
Look at the goat.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch out behind you.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh yeah. How you been doing? So you have to go. Blake knows somebody. Watch out, Blake. Come here. No. You can like go back this way, or you want to go in?
We can go back that way.
Okay.
I just gotta spin around.
All right.
Hey, this fine. See the ornaments? Second one from the top. Stormtroopers.
Yeah.
We also have one that's TIE fighters all the way around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it on the bottom now.
Is there?
A lot of Christmas on.
Yeah, well, it's a Christmas expo.
Yeah. Don't see any gators. Yeah, you were talking about putting up the white tree, a gator tree again?
Yeah, well, I wasn't saying gator tree. I was just that
Yeah.
tree.
Yeah. Okay. We're never going to get to this. Hello, how are you guys?
Just fine.
Welcome to walk in. Touch anything on the table.
Yep.
No gators. Better stay out of there.
Yeah, keep walking, keep walking.
I like my cut glass. Oh, something over there was choking me up.
Yeah.
Instant headlight restoration. Yeah. A lot of iron stuff. Butterflies?
Yeah. You got a bigger one too. Apparently gnomes have become a big thing. No. I'm just saying it's become a thing and I'm not sure why.
Yeah.
No.
Well, I guess we've seen it all in here.
Yep.
Looks like all that's food.
Yeah.
Ice cream truck.
Yep.
Right here and look. You wouldn't use those if they had gators on them.
No. I probably wouldn't.
No.
Yep. He says he's done.
Yeah, we showed up.
Oh, okay.
Well, a few of them did, but they all
Movie screen?
Yeah, they did a movie last night. Polar Express.
Which you watched the other day. Nipple wanting to hurt.
Well, it's not that I watched it, it's that I left it on the TV while we was doing stuff.
Yeah.
And then there wasn't nothing else to turn on.
I'll let Tanya tell Pittsburgh about it.
Now the question becomes, do we need to buy extra turkey?
I don't think so. Well, it depends. Do you want to get two 10-pound birds or a 20-pound bird?
Well, I was thinking a 20-pound bird and maybe a breast. Because, you know, you can cook the breast ahead.
Yeah. Well, there's two Nick could hire. It would probably work all the time.
Yeah.
How much it frozen in there?
Not particularly.
When they first started doing.
All right, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Southern Vintage Christmas Expo at the Callahan Fairgrounds in Callahan, obviously. So, there really wasn't a whole lot of cars there. They just don't have a lot of luck with running car shows along with the craft show. I'm not sure why. Just is what it is. So, we did go out and support our Callahan Cruisers. We didn't have our... we didn't have the dashboard out there to support them, but we did go out and go to the expo and check out the cars and check out the crafts and everything. So we did our part as much as we could. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. We are at 313, which is great. We are well on our way. We just need a little bit further to get across that finish line. So, don't forget to share it around, like it, comment, and if you're not a subscriber, hit that little subscribe button. That helps the channel out. Any little interaction helps the channel out. So, do all the YouTubey things. We'll see you guys out at the next one.